Hello everybody, I'm back with another video, and today we are opening the second art journal snacks. This is spring 2023 question mark. I'm pretty sure it is. And we're gonna open this up. I don't know if I'm gonna do it like last time because in the last one there was like a prompt word and I used that to do a journal, and if there's no such thing, then I'll use whatever lyrics I'm using right now, but just use this box. So we'll figure that out when we open this and see what's inside. So let's get started. So let's see what's in here. They gave us these in an art snacks box before, and I think it was this color, so if it is, I already have it. Awkward, but yeah. I'll read the menu right now. Here's the journal. You know, I was really hoping the journal would be different every time, but I guess I saw people decorating the cover and all that. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I'll have to figure out once I actually use one, because I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use the regular journal that I always use for the main ones, which is my Moleskine rule notebook. And I'll probably use these same things for a mini journal, which will be my field notes. So I'll figure that out right now with whatever's in here. So let's see. Oh, there's a lot of art supplies. That's super cool. And the ephemera. So, oh shit. Wow, okay. Alright. So I should bring my sketchbook so I can use all this and all that. Yeah, so it is the spring 2023 art journal snacks, and the first supply will be the journal, and it's an art snacks exclusive. It's a 5x8 and 25, and it's like $10. So it says the journal for this let's start over. The journal for the subscription box had to be perfect. It's called Journal Snacks after all, so we made our own. Inside this book, you'll find 30 sheets of 150 GSM ivory paper that can handle dry media and light washes. The sewn binding allows the journal to lay flat so you can easily work on 2-page spreads. Get creative and decorate the hefty craft cover to make it your own. So I guess that's why they do it like that, so you can make it your own, but whatevs. So let me just get my sketchbook ready. Alright, so the second art supply is we got 3 Marabou mixed media art spray bottles, and it says spread some vivid color into your journal with the Marabou mixed media art spray. This acrylic spray paint is ideal for background stenciling and creating designs on a porous surfaces such as paper, canvas, and wood. It's intermixable, quick drying, light fast, and waterproof when dry. It can also be thin with water. Before each use, shake the bottle vigorously for 60 seconds. Oh, that's insane. Alright. I don't know that. I think I've used it just like as is. That's wild. So this is the color. Okay. Is that the color? Or I think it is. I'm just gonna go for it. Are you gonna feel it? Whoa! Alright. Okay, this was. Apparently. So there's that. Yeah, those are the colors. Because this is flamingo. Okay, there's a flamingo one. And this is mint. Mint. Alright, those are the 3 sprays that we got. So next is a Sakura Pigma Micro Pens Cool Gray. Instead of 3, they retail for $10.02. Y'all can just put 10. Alright. Everyone loves Micron. Great consistent strokes and bold lines with this set of 3 different sizes, 1, 5, and 10. Made for everyday writing and sketching. This reliable fine liner features archival waterproof pigment ink. Here they are. I mean, it's just a good old Micron, you know, nothing exciting, but let's test it out. Let's specify that it's called green. So that's 0, 1. Just gonna take left to dry. This is a 5. And the last one, 10. 10. Cool stuff. And then we get 3 Faber-Castell Polychromos color pencils. Oh, those are so nice. Retails for $3.35, and it says Faber-Castell introduced the polychromos to the world in 1908. Renowned for its high-quality pigments, this pencil delivers unsurpassed light fastness and permanent rich color. Get ready to experience buttery smooth color laydown and sharp fine lines. I love polychromos. I mean, I really like Prismacolor as well, but this just feels so nice. So let's see what colors we got. Let's do the Venetian red. Okay. Oh, wait. Let me write it down. Faber-Castell. Polychromos. almost done. Open it. I just love how smooth they feel. Really big fan. I feel that, wait, hold up, light. Oh yeah, I was gonna say that I feel that Prismacolor doesn't feel this smooth on paper, but it's still one of my favorite color pencils to use. And this is called blue greenish. Alright, and those are the 3 colors that we got. They're really nice. I think I'll be a fan with any color, really. Marble fluid art brushes. Take your art journaling on the go with these water brushes from Marble. Oh god, no! Fuck. Convenient and versatile, they're great for travel. The set includes the following sizes: 3mm round, 4mm round, and 5mm flat. Each brush features durable nylon bristles and a large barrel. To use, unscrew the tip and fill the body with water, ink, watercolor, or whatever fluid at medium you want. If you follow me, y'all know I'm the #1 hater of water brushes. I just can never figure out how much water to use. But here we have them. Here we have them. Should I donate these? Or sell them or something? I'm not even gonna open this, honestly. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I don't have anything to use it with right now. Like I don't want to put water on it. I don't want to put ink on it. If you want to know how these work, I don't know. Maybe that's another video, but I just ignore them for now. All right, next, favorite pastel mixed media stencil. Oh, cool! I haven't had stencils before. Classic 1 set of 10. $7.50 they retail for, and pair these stencils with your favorite from Favorite Castels with your art spray to create beautiful designs on your journal spreads. Oh yeah, you'll find 10 different patterns in this set, each made from durable paper. They're reusable, but that can also be coated with a glaze medium to extend their life. Okay, that's kind of cool. I've never had stencils before. Oh, dude. Ooh. Use with gelato. Oh, dude. Let's check this shit out. I'm excited. I can see why they say that you should protect them for. Oh, dude. I have an idea. My dog is acting up. Hold on. Go. Maybe at the start of every journal, if any of these colors appear in the color palette that I have, I can like spray it and start it. Like that can be the background of the journal. Oof. I'm hella excited. Oh, dude, this is cool. This is cool as fuck. Okay, let's see the designs. So there's this. I'm super excited. Never had stencils before. I like that one too. The possibilities are endless. Amazing. 10 out of 10. Is there another art supply? Like, can I just start using? Yeah, because these other two are not. I don't have to test them out. So let's grab a stunt. Let's do this one, and let's do this. Ah! Jesus, that's what I get for being excited. Okay, whatever. Let's go. Yes. Dude, this has just rocked my shit. I don't know, I will never start a journal again. Like, boring, just, you know. And if you follow me, like, it's like, oh, here's the spread, and guess what else? That's how I'm starting this journal. Oh my god. Let's do another one. Let's do this right here. Let's do flamingo. The flamingo next. Ten out of 10. This is the way to do it, guys. This is how you start journals. You know, I have like 100 and some videos, journaling videos right now on this channel, and after this is how they start. This is how it's gonna start, guys. I'm probably gonna buy more of the art sprays, because damn, that changed my life. So let's do a final touch. Let's do that one right there with mint. Finish this test off. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is what I'm gonna do. This is how I'm gonna start every journal now. I just need to get more of these because I cannot start a journal without not having the colors, you know? Unless I'll do for other things. I don't know. I need more sprays. Or maybe I can grab like a marker, and it's not gonna be as satisfaction as this, right? But I can still make it happen. I was so excited I forgot the rest. So the next thing is cross-breasted high, expressed high, tag double-sided tape. It's new to Art Snacks. Effortlessly attach photos and other ephemera inside your art journal with expressed high tack double-sided tape, X or cross, who knows, y'all. Paper backing is non-static and easy to peel. The grip strength is so strong. It'll stick to everything from paper to to metal. This tape is also acid-free and heat-resistant. Oh, that's fucking cool. Let's see. Metal. Express. Is it dude, cross better, dude? Who knows? If somebody knows how to pronounce this, please tell me. Oh, you just cut it at the size that you want and you just go for it. It's pretty nice to know. I don't know where to use it on right now, so if I use it, I'll use it in the journal itself. Just wanted to show it. Big ol' wheel of express it or cross press it or whatever. So the last supply is the ephemera pack. And it retails for $11.99. It's an Arts Next exclusive. It says, enjoy this pack of ephemera picked and assembled by a resident artist, Aaron. You'll find a variety of exciting textures and objects to fill your art journal this quarter. Ephemera adds a unique touch to your journal spreads and can be layered and altered to your heart's content. Oh, so this is what it looks like. Let's see what's inside. I'm excited. That's what I really like the most in my journals. I know it's an art journal, but I use a lot of ephemera. So first we have this little baggie with what? So we have this, this journal. I might keep that. These 3 stickers. Is it a sticker? No. Oh, just the way it is, alright. Many paths lead to the same destination. It doesn't matter how you get there. Should that be the thingy? To inspire my journal, that quote. Okay, we have these strings of paper, and I have after shaving. Use maintenance toilet powder and insist upon your barber using it also. Okay, this is pretty cool. I like this. When am I gonna use it? Who fucking knows, but it's here. And we're putting it back here. Have this, which is almost like the same color as whatever you pronounce that. I'm not even gonna try. Okay, this. Alright. That's pretty cool. Random blue paper. Oh, like a music sheet. Random yellow paper. Random pink paper with little like flowers. This right here. Oh, this cool stuff. This. Oh, this is cool. Alright, done. Crazy orchards grown in packs. Crazy orchards. This will be hella hard to use. I'm not gonna lie. Consent of operation, anesthetics, and other medical services. It's cool. Or learn how to operate the tabulator mechanism. Okay, that's also cool. Hard to use. Account purchase. Alright. This costs 650 bucks. Oh, 100 bucks is oranges. 100 bucks is lemons. So that was 600. We owe a lot of money here. And a what's it called? Dictionary page. Pretty cool as well. I like the ephemera, and I don't know if I'm gonna use the little quote. Maybe I'll think about it. I don't know what colors to use. I don't even know what ephemera to use, so I'll have to figure that one out. There's a bonus prompt. It says, imagine your journal has a voice. What would it say to you right now? Draw a speech bubble on one of the pages and answer the question. No. It'll be like, my feelings will be like, bitch, you're behind on daily journaling, get to it. That could be my bonus prompt, perhaps. That's the only thing I can think of. The only journal's doing good. But yeah, so it's all this that we have right here. Hate that I got this. I dirty it with my when I get excited. Whatever. I'm not even gonna look at that. But everything else was pretty cool. In love with the stencils. So let me see what type of journal I'll do. I'll have to think about it if I continue on with the one that I'm doing right now, or if I do the little quote that was there, but it's gonna be this big. I don't know if I can make it bigger or what. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'll figure that out, and it's time for normal journaling. Okay, so I'm gonna start with these first. So I decided to continue on the, what's it called, the lyrics that I'm using right now, instead of like something from the journal to do the journal. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this. I need to buy more colors. I don't know if in the Art Snacks shop or in the in Amazon, I don't know where, but I'm buying more of this shit because I loved it. Alright, and there was when I did the, what's it called, the color palette, I grabbed some colors that I have on the Art Journal Snacks. So I'm gonna try to use, Jesus. I'm gonna try to use all of those on this journal. Let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna use this right here. This first. This is what I'm using. I think this video is gonna be long. I was looking at the intro for this, and it's 20 minutes, and I was like, Jesus, like when I'm doing the whole, what's it called, the supplies and all that, it was 20 minutes long, and I was like, fuck, how long is this video gonna be? So sorry y'all if this is like 40 minutes, like an episode or something. But yeah, and that's just the supplies. I think for the ephemera it's another 5 minutes, like something insane. Maybe I'll cut it down in editing, we'll see. Right here, I got these sheets of Daiso, and I wish I would have grabbed more. I don't know, I was like so shy with the stuff I got there. I spent like $5 there max, and I could have gone out with so much more. This is from the Art Snacks. Art Journal Snacks. wanted to show you all the drawing right now because I'm gonna put something like around it and I need to measure it, so here it is. Okay, so it's gonna be right there. And we're gonna do this flower crown thingy. If you guys follow me, I did a Art Snacks challenge, and I used the same girl for inspiration, who is Oshima Yuko from AKB47, and I think that other illustration came out way better because these I do really quickly, like I don't spend too much time on it. I'm gonna link it because shameless plug. I thought it looked good. Oh my god. What is with this? What is with this gap? Okay, so I have a little bit of this paper still. So maybe we should do that. And I know that there's like paint under it, but I really hate when anything is showing. So let's do that. So this is right here. And it's like, you know? Or if my voice sounds a little ugh, it's because I'm sick. That's cool. Fun stuff. I feel like I want to add more stuff up there, but like with the stickers and stuff. But I will work on this page first, and then we'll decide that. Okay, let's go. Honestly, this is the vibe. Like, this thing changed my life for journaling. The stencils. Let's see what's next. To put her, but also this thing right here. Oh, that's true. I got this thing. So I can be a true art journaler. Everybody uses these. Shit. You're supposed to do it. Ooh, aesthetic. Have I graduated from art journaler yet? Are you all proud of me? Okay, so I think it's gonna be a little too much. I'm gonna have to cut it. I'll see where I used the other part. Well, this is gonna go right here. Alright. And then let's use this, which is also a sticker. Right? Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, guys, the aesthetic. I wonder if I ever get used to it. of reaching out for it. Oh. Okay, so she goes right here. Was that how it's supposed to be? This was supposed to be more up there, but it's fine. It's so good. So let's put her. Wait. Tee. Who made her fucked up? Oh no. You know what? This can be saved. So this is gonna go right there. And then you're gonna go down there. Now let's put you down first. She got too excited. So this guy's gonna go right here. Oh, this dude. Like nothing ever happened. Love it. Alright. And then here is gonna be this guy. Okay, let's do that. The sleeve. Okay. I know nothing in the color palette had purple, but LMAO. I need to add these as well that came in the Our Journal snacks. Well, let's think of the stickers and all that. Alright, time to figure out what stickers am I gonna put here. I'm thinking of a big ass one. Okay, I think I found one that I want. But hold on. So I know I want to use this over here. also want to use this. So many things. Okay, this is a big ass space. I need something big there. Let's see what else I have over here. But I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna just put it right there. So there's that one and there's this one. Put it right there, question mark. Like that. Oh, let's do that. Let's do it up there. So yes. Okay, yeah, I want that. Chaotic. And this I do want here. Oh, the aesthetic. But how do they... every video they make it seem like super easy. Ho ho ho. That looks cute. So how do they do these? Brother, no way. I'm just looking stupid in camera. Oh. Cute. Half of this can be here. Sure, why not? Let's go. Maybe one of these right here. And then I forget to be aesthetic, y'all. And I think that looks pretty good. I'll just grab maybe a marker from the Lad's Art Journal Snacks and some paint, and we'll call it a day. Alright, for the marker we're going to be using this orange, Power Orange. That's it. I don't know how we're doing. So that was that. And for our paint, I saw this cherry red from Deco Art. So here's some water. And a drop of the cherry red. That's it, that's pretty much it. This is the end of the main journal, pretty much. But also using elements of my art snacks, art journal snacks, which will be this one right here, this paper back here, and this one right here. So like I said, I wasn't gonna use everything for one journal because that's not how I operate, and I think it will look a little messy. But other than that, this is the journal, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And maybe I should have used some of the colors in the color pencils, but whatever. You're gonna see more of the supplies for this quarter, and I hope to see you guys in my next journaling video, which will be a mini journal. May or may not still be using these supplies, probably yes. But see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.